What are the best apps for time management and productivity?
Looking to boost your productivity? Discover the top-rated apps that help professionals organize their day, manage tasks, and stay on track. From simple to-do lists to advanced project management, these apps cater to a range of needs and budgets. Let's explore the options that stand out for their features, usability, and impact on productivity.
Which free apps are most popular for time management?
Free apps can be powerful tools. Notable favorites include Todoist, Trello, and Google Calendar. Todoist lets you organize and prioritize daily tasks. Trello uses boards and cards to streamline work for teams and individuals. Google Calendar is ideal for scheduling and reminders. All three integrate with other tools, making them popular choices for efficient time management at no cost.
Are there paid apps worth the investment?
For premium features, paid apps offer more. Notion combines note-taking, project management, and collaboration in a single platform. Things 3, available for Apple devices, is praised for its elegant design and intuitive task management. RescueTime provides robust tracking and reporting of how you spend your digital time, helping identify habits and boost productivity. These apps often provide free trials to test their value.
What apps help with focus and reducing distractions?
Staying focused can be challenging. Apps like Forest and Focus at Will are designed to keep distractions at bay. Forest uses a gamified approach. Stay focused and plan a virtual tree. Focus at Will offers concentration-boosting music, scientifically created for productivity. These tools encourage sustained attention, making them favorites among professionals who want to maximize deep work sessions.
How do you choose the right productivity app?
Choosing the best app depends on your needs. Assess whether you need simple reminders, detailed project management, or tracking of digital habits. Try out free versions or trials first. Look for features like cross-device syncing, integrations with other tools, and user-friendly design. Ultimately, the best app is one that fits seamlessly into your workflow and helps you achieve your goals.